Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sayyeda Fahmina from Ahmed bin Majid Private School. This video is about topic 12.1d. Describe the reaction of CH3CO compounds with alkaline aqueous iodine to give triiodomethane, pale yellow precipitate. At the end of this video, learners should be able to describe the presence of CH3CO compounds with alkaline aqueous iodine to give triiodomethane, commonly called iodoform. Learn some important terminologies, study the condition necessary to proceed the above reaction, solve some questions. Iodoform reaction for methyl aldehyde and ketones. This test is used to identify the presence of CH3CO. It means the carbonyl group must contain CH3, or you can say the methyl group is directly attached to the carbonyl group. A positive result, the pale yellow precipitate of triiodomethane, commonly called iodoform, is given by an aldehyde or ketones containing the following grouping. R can be hydrogen atom or a hydrocarbon group, for example an alkyl group. If R is hydrogen, then you have an aldehyde ethanol, and ethanol is the only aldehyde to give triiodomethane or iodoform reaction. If R is a hydrocarbon group, then you have a ketone. Lots of ketone give this reaction, but those that do all have a methyl group on one side of the carbon-oxygen double bond. These are known as methyl ketones. So all methyl ketones can form pale yellow precipitate with alkaline iodine solution, but from aldehyde, only one aldehyde that can give positive result is ethanol. Iodoform reaction, iodine solution is added to a small amount of aldehyde or ketones, followed by just enough sodium hydroxide solution to remove the color of iodine. If nothing happens in the cold, it may be necessary to warm the mixture very gently. A positive result is the presence of or appearance of a pale yellow precipitate of triiodomethane, commonly called iodoform. Chemical formula is CHI3. Triiodo, meth means one carbon, so triiodomethane. Apart from its color, this can be recognized by its faintly radical smell. It is used as an antiseptic on the sort of sticky plasters you put on minor cuts, for example. Equations, you can write overall equation also, or you can write in two steps. The first stage involves substitution of all three hydrogens in the methyl group. So here this methyl group, all three hydrogen will be substituted with iodine atoms. The presence of hydroxide ions is important for the reaction to happen. They take part in the mechanism for the reaction. So first step, all three hydrogen is substituted by iodine, and there are 6 iodine, or so 3 iodide ions are released and water molecule is formed. In the second stage, the bond between Ci3 and the rest of the molecule is broken from here and produce triiodomethane and the salt of an acid. Putting all this together gives the overall equation for the reaction. Any methyl ketone or aldehyde react with iodine in the presence of alkaline solution, form CHI3, triiodomethane, pale yellow precipitate, salt, iodide ion and water. Visual identification, how you will visualize. This is pale yellow precipitate. So in case of methylaldehyde or methyl ketones, we will get pale yellow precipitate, but rest, if they do not contain methyl group directly connected to the carbonyl group, so the test will be negative. Practice questions and answers. Number 1. How would you carry out the triiodomethane reaction on a sample of an aldehyde or ketones? So, an iodine solution followed by enough sodium hydroxide solution to remove the color of iodine. Warm very gently if nothing happens in the cold. Or another method is add potassium iodide solution followed by sodium chlorate 1 sodium hypochlorite solution. Warm very gently if nothing happened in the cold. What would happen if you had a positive result? Pale yellow precipitate with a faintly antiseptic smell. What exactly does a positive result show about the aldehyde or ketone? It shows that there is CH3 group attached directly to the carbonyl group. List all the aldehydes which give the triiodomethane reaction. As I have already discussed that only one aldehyde that can give positive result is ethanol. And the reason you know that in ethanol the carbonyl group directly attached to the methyl group or methyl group is directly attached to the carbonyl group unlike other aldehydes. Which of the following ketones will give the triiodomethane reaction? You have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 butane 2-one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane 3-one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-methyl pentane 3-one, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane 2-one. So what is the most important part? We will see methyl group. In this case, methyl group is directly attached to CO group. So in case of D, we can get pale yellow precipitate. Just see C. In case of C, there is no methyl group directly attached to the carbonyl group. So the test will be negative. In case of B, also same like C. But in case of A, the methyl group is directly attached to the carbonyl group. So answer is A and D. Good luck. Thank you.